Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make two columns in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. If you want the entire document to have two columns, you don't need to select any text. But if you only want part of your document in two columns, select the text you want to format. Then go to Format from the top menu and then go to Columns. You will see several layout options. Choose the option with two columns. Your text will now be divided into two columns. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.